Hello. This is a video to accompany the AEM Maven Project React Part 2 post on my jimfrenette.com blog. So once you've installed the project using Maven and you've logged into your localhost AEM instance running on author port 4502, you should have the screen right here, and we can go ahead and begin to verify that our spa page is working as expected. So we'll go to sites, and here you can see my project that we've installed. US, we'll go to the English language root, and here's our spa page, and let's edit it. We can edit it using the dialog, or we can just do the inline edit, which has been enabled for our text component. Save it. View is published. Now this is the spa page, so this markup is not being rendered by the server, which we can verify by viewing the page source. And we do not see any hello world markup indeed. What we do have is this spa root div element that the React application has been bootstrapped to, and here's our React library. And we can inspect this rendered output using the dev tools. And we can see that all of this markup here is being added by React. Our component markup, and everything else. So now what we need, which is the basis for this project, is a standard non-spa page. Let's go back to our language root and select Create Page, and we'll use the content page template that was created with our archetype. Select Next. We can give the name Test. Let's open our page for editing. It came with a text component. Everything appears to be working properly. Let's view it as published. Ta-da! Alright, so we've got our test page here and our spa page. That concludes our test.